Majesty, King Raja Sawardana, the ruler of the Kingdom of Majapahit. I, the Prime Minister of the Kingdom of Champa, welcome you in the name of our King, Indravarman VI, ruler of the Kingdom of Champa. To your young regent, Prince Kartabumi, your Prime Minister of Majapahit, and all your advisors, welcome, Your Majesty.
Prime Minister of Champa, I am King Raja Sawardana. We are really appreciate your great protocol to welcome us, the Majapahit Empire, a friend of Champa.
Thank you, Your Majesty. My fellow Champayan, I, your Prime Minister of Champa, proudly proclaim to you today, mighty is the Kingdom of Champa. Today is a day of royalty. We have the King of Majapahit with us. My people, come, let us gather together and be with our King Indravarman at the royal court as we welcome the King of Majapahit and hear our King speak of the accomplishments of the mighty empire of Champa, from trade, from foreign policy, from politics, and talk about the invincible army that we have, which is respected and feared throughout all in Asia. My fellow Champayan, we, the kingdom, is at the pinnacle of our civilization in the whole of Asia. Come, let us celebrate the power and the majesty, glory of the kingdom, Champa.
Thank you.
Your Majesty, my King, I have proudly present to you our King from visitor from the Kingdom of Majapahit.
Welcome, King Raja Sawardana. It is a great honor that you have visited our kingdom. I must say, dear King, age must be very kind to you. You look much better than me.
King Indravarman, you know, my power and the greatness of my empire have kept me young.
Ow! Can you watch where you're going?
Huh? Who are you? Don't you know only royal family can be here?
Well, obviously, I'm a princess. I can be here.
Huh? You? A princess? Look at you. You're not a princess.
How dare you! Father, tell him, please.
All right, Analwati. Analwati, you must be Kartabumi, the young prince. Ah. Now, dear King, allow me to introduce my royal family. My wife, Queen Indrawati. My talented princess, Princess Dewi, and my son-in-law, Ibrahim Sumakan. And of course, my youngest, whom you already met, Princess Analwati.
King Indravarman, your welcoming is truly extraordinary.
I'm glad.
It's great to see your family. Please introduce my son, Prince Kartabumi.
Prince,
And my Prime Minister.
Minister,
And you know, my son is the youngest one, and this is his first visit. So please don't take it to heart for what he just.
Huh? But father, it's true. She doesn't even act like a real princess.
A real princess? That's your problem, not mine.
Okay. Enough. Anawati and Katabumi, you're both young and full of spirit. And perhaps one day, the young prince might be able to bring out the true beauty and gracefulness of my princess. I will be deeply in your debt.
Not at all, my lord. It would be an honor.
Very well.
My son, listen to the king. I think King Indrawarman, I can sense the good future of us.
Indeed, indeed.
I hope the relationship between your kingdom and my empire will be maintained in the future.
It is truly our great interest that we maintain strong relationship for many more years to come. Come, my dear king.
Thank you.
Let me show you around the palace.
Please.
Do you play golf?
Yes.
This way.
Great.
Hey, don't be shy, huh?